Okay. Imagination is a wonderful thing. It's unfortunate that we've lost some of it. Anyway, right
Interviews, take one.
Invisible Woman, The Thing, Doctor Don't Save You a Lot. Come on in. Have a seat. Thank you all for coming to this interview on short notice. We're looking to hire a superhero to protect our members from bank villains. Invisible Woman, how can you help our members see the value of being a credit union member?
I think the best thing to do would be to make all those bank charges disappear.
Ah, I see where you're coming from.
Oh, I thought I was invisible.
Thing, could you tell me how you can help our members save more money for retirement and long-term savings?
I would smash through the low interest ceiling. Pow! Giving members maximum return on their investments without any risk. Giving them more bang for their buck.
Well, you certainly are enthusiastic about saving money. Doctor Don't Save You a Lot. Might I say that's a rather interesting name. On your application, you put that you would like to lower rates on CDs and pay nothing on savings or checking. Also, that you're in favor of monthly fees. Please explain how this will help our members.
Well, our customers, I mean members, would not gain or save any interest. My goal would be make them pay more fees. Yeah!
Well, I certainly know who's not getting the position. Invisible Woman and The Thing, you're hired. If Doctor Don't Save You a Lot, I'm sure there's a position for you at any bank in town.
Oh, yeah.
Have a nice day.